Okay, now you have seen the fire coating in progress, and I'm J.E. Pritchett, founder of SPI, and a lot of corporations that you know is a corporation. They've got this big lab, they've got a lot of guys in white coats running around and all that kind of stuff. But this company, we are a tight handful. I'm very involved in the development of the ceramics, working with NASA from 1989 to 1995 with NASA, not for NASA. And I was the researcher learning on ceramic compounds. Well, that went to develop Supertherm, which is a reflective coating on top, blocking all three heat waves from the sun, which most don't know anything about. Then we developed the HPC, hot pipe coating, and then which is going onto a pipe surface and blocking the heat, holding it on the surface of that pipe so it doesn't release off, therefore holding the heat inside, making it efficient so that when you start with a temperature in the beginning, you get that temperature at the end. And then we went from regular HPC that goes up to 400 degrees. We've got HPC intermediate that goes from 400 to 1,000, and these are water-based, sprayed on while operating. Then we've got HPC HT that goes from 1,000 to 1,250 or 1,300. And again, sprayed on while it's operating, and there's no toxic, and it's safe, and it's easy. Now, from those developments, we've come to the fire coating. And that's a balance of the ceramics. I've gone through a little over 4,000 over 34 years, and we've gotten down to about 14 or so ceramics that actually work in a coating. At this point, we have a balance going on with this fire coating, and as you can see when we started this video, that it was at 2,200 degrees flame impinging onto the coating surface. That's nothing more than a Q panel on the back side. That's about a 1/2 inch or 500 mils or 12.5 millimeter. And the back side is 160 something degrees F, and which is about 80 C. After 50 minutes, we're going on an hour. We hope to be able to go 3 hours and be below, say, 220, 230, something like that, and stabilized. As soon as that happens, and we think we're there, is we're going to coat the post, goes back to UL, get into the test. We do the UL 1709, which is the toughest test there is. They've never had a coating pass this test, and we've been there twice already to learn, to fail, and learn. And then what we've learned, now we're going back and we hope to pass this next time and get into the book with a water-based coating it's easy to spray and spray on the job site, or you can pre-coat and go on with it. So I just wanted to make this short video to let you know that this is not some mysterious lab somewhere. This is me and the guys at SPI that are doing all of this with the collective knowledge that we have, and this won't be the end of it. We've got additional technologies that we're going to work on, from soundproofing that we know we already have that work, to maybe being something like a bulletproof, which we've got technologies on that, and that's later. That's coming later. But we are the only one that has all of this ground covered with our technology. And you can get personal protection with us, mainly because it's actually insulating. Not something that's called an insulation coating, and then the first thing they say, well, it's a personal protection. What do they mean by that? Well, you can touch it for 5 seconds before you burn yourself. No, ours, you're going to lay down on it, okay? That's real insulation. So we are at SPI, we're talking about real insulation. So thank you very much.